At 2:17 a.m., thick fog smothered a Norfolk freight terminal as Elio Vargas froze beside an ice machine and stared hard. A line of migrant workers shuffled through the gate, each exhausted face lit briefly, each head marked by the same powder blue seam. The mark sat behind one ear like a careless surgical scar, too identical, too neat, and impossible to ignore. Elio was a Spanish-speaking mechanic, invisible to most people there, which made him the first man to notice everything. He watched guards count bodies instead of names, and he felt a pattern forming where ordinary night labor should have been. By sunrise, one worker was gone from the line, and nobody at the terminal seemed willing to remember her face. Missing persons detectives first treated the report like another vanishing in a transient workforce that drifted between docks and warehouses. Then a refrigerated container was opened, and the cold room told a story no witness had survived to explain. On the waxy floor, investigators found one small shoeprint pressed deep, as if a child had paused and turned back. A forensic botanist lifted matchbook-thin eucalyptus fibers tangled with black shipping depot grease and salt. That strange trio linked the container to a remote packing site inland, where imported trees shielded trailers from the road. Inside those trailers, police found medical kits, counterfeit papers, and glue tubes matching the blue seams behind the workers' ears. Detectives realized the scars were control marks, used to identify people moved through the network like tagged inventory. Several ringleaders were convicted, while some victims were still never found.